Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your first board from scratch, including adding content, organizing ideas, and inviting your team to collaborate. Let's start by creating a new board. Go ahead and click the plus Create New button in your workspace. You'll see a few options here. We're going to select Board to create a fresh, collaborative workspace. Now you can choose from a library of pre-built templates to jumpstart your work. Pick one that matches your project needs, or start with a blank canvas. Give your board a meaningful name so you and your team can easily identify it later. Here you can add a brief description to capture the purpose or goals of this board. The left toolbar gives you access to all the content tools. Click the sticky notes icon to start adding ideas or tasks to your board. Frames are great for organizing different sections of your work. Click the frame icon, then drag to create one on your canvas. It's helpful to label each frame so everyone knows what content belongs where. Let's add another frame for any draft ideas or work in progress that you want to keep separate. Comments are perfect for collaboration. Click anywhere to leave feedback or questions for your teammates directly on the board. You can enhance your board visually by dragging shapes from the toolbar to create diagrams or highlight key areas. Want to add some personality? Upload an image or drag one directly onto your board to make it more engaging. Your board is all set. When you're ready, click the Share button to invite team members and start collaborating in real time. You've now learned the essentials of setting up a board. Feel free to explore more features or run through this guide again anytime.